Yo, what's good, Mazushi? So in today's video, we're meeting up with a guy named Chris. Now Chris, he's got some pretty cool JDM cars. He's got this Honda One, I think it's called. It's like a cube looking car. He's got some Evo wagons and he's got some MX-5s. Now, the one we're looking at today is an MX-5. It's not your average looking MX-5. I've seen photos of this thing. It looks pretty insane. So we're gonna go talk with him. He's gonna run us through his build, you know, let us know what he's done, his future plans. I'm sure people in the community, you've probably seen this car at so many events. You've probably seen him at all the car meets. So it's gonna be really cool to get his thoughts, his whole process of building the car. And yeah, it's gonna be really good. So we're gonna get into that now. We're just on the way there, driving there now. If you guys have anyone you want us to go meet up with, get a review on, just leave it in the comments. Let us know who you want us to go review. I've got some really cool plans for future videos. I've got just a little sneak peek. We're gonna be having a look at two very cool Supras. You might already know them. They're actually a family of Supras, so yeah, you probably know them already, but that'll be a really cool video. I'd love to hear from them. But yeah, today's video, gonna be looking at Chris's MX-5. It's a full show car. You know, I've seen photos. But yeah, we're gonna have an in-depth, close look at it, see what he's done, and yeah, just honestly, just learn the story of like why he did it, what made him choose an MX-5. Wow, look at it. Here it is, the purple MX-5 from Chris's MX-5. Look how amazing it looks. Hey bro,
hey, how's
Michael.
It going, bro?
Chris, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you
it's
too,
finally
bro.
Great to see you in person. Bro. Wow, so this is it. This is the MX-5. Yep. Jeez.
This is the one.
Wow, man. Tell me, like, what's the year? What model is it?
So this is a 2000 model.
Yeah.
MX-5 NB1. But obviously it doesn't look like a normal MX-5 no more.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was telling them, that this isn't your average MX-5 that, you know, probably you'd see like P-platers or whatever have.
Yeah.
This is a lot been done to it. So Chris, I just want to start off with, what made you choose an MX-5? Like,
I've always wanted a convertible.
Yeah.
And this was like one of the cheapest convertibles you can have.
Yeah.
And yeah, just wanted a convertible, and I found this as a barn find.
Yeah. And how long ago did you get this?
During COVID.
Okay, so what, like 5 years?
Yeah,
4 years,
5 years. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep,
okay, so fairly not super recent.
Yeah.
But yeah. And in 5 years, you've just done
while
all
it was
this.
Unregistered and that, I just restored it back.
Yep.
So I can register it, and then started modifying it.
Yeah,
At first it was supposed to be my daily, but then I got too carried away.
Yeah, and you just went all out.
Went all
out. If you want to just tell me, like, run us through the mods. I know I can see there's probably hundreds, but just your favorite ones, I guess.
So to firstly start off, it's got a purple wrap on it, on the whole car, and some livery on it. Yep. And then I've got a Bomex body kit.
Yep.
And I've got these very rare Moret headlights that they're discontinued, so that's why you don't see them
anyway. Interior mods?
Interior mods, I've done some custom work to the interior, some wrap on it. There's leather seats, custom fiberglass door cards.
I saw the shifter.
Yes,
you got the katana.
That's correct. And then I've got like a carbon fiber 3-piece ducktail wing and carbon fiber tail lights as well. Cool.
What makes this car special to you?
It's the...
What about it is special?
Out of all the cars I've ever had, this is the most I've done to a car.
Yeah, right.
I spent a lot of money, time. And most of it I did it myself.
Yeah, okay. So, that's pretty good. Was there any engine mods or anything?
Not really. I just made it look pretty.
But
there will be a surprise soon.
Okay. So we'll see that a bit later.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Any future plans for this car? Like, I mean, it looks, there's a lot already done, but
there's a lot,
is there anything else?
It never ends. So
yeah, okay.
I'd like to wide body it someday.
Yep.
And like I said, with engine mods, there's a secret.
There's something coming. Yeah, okay.
Coming,
we'll talk about that. But so just the wide body.
Yep.
And some
and some
engine work.
Bit of engine work.
See whatever that is next.
Yep.
I can see this car is literally sitting on the ground. So what sort of suspension setup are you running?
I've got Airflex. I've got, it's full bagged. I've got the full setup in here.
Let's have a look. Wow.
I've got
look at that, guys.
3-gallon tank and a single compressor.
Yeah, and I can see you've got the carbon fiber bits.
Yeah, so this is from Carbon Miata. I've got the 3-piece ducktail wing.
Yep.
And I've got the tail lights, LED tail lights as well.
Wow, brilliant. Yeah, it looks amazing.
Thank you.
Do you think we'd be able to go for a drive?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah,
all right, let's do that now.
All right.
What do you guys think of this car? I told you this wasn't your usual MX-5. Look how sick this thing is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you need to let it warm or should be good? Yeah, all right.
Yep.
Where's this?
It should be around the side there. Yeah, it's all cramped in here.
There, you're right. Did you have it much without the top off? Or?
In mid-summer, like not too hot because you get sunburnt, like you really get burnt, and everything is hot to touch. So, like cool summer nights and stuff like that. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, it would be nice.
Yeah.
Never driven in a convertible actually.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. What made you choose a Miata?
I've always liked them, especially the NB.
Yeah.
When they first came out, I did want a NA though, the pop-up light ones.
Ah, yeah.
But I found this and it's good enough.
Yeah, right. Out of your 3 cars, which one's your favorite?
I do like this.
Yeah.
Obviously, but for speed and a bit more fun, I do like the Evo.
The Evo, yeah, thought so. That's pretty cool. We'll have to do a video on that another day. What's your dream car, if you could have any car?
GTR 34.
Okay,
yeah.
GTR.
I used to own a 34 GTT, 33 GTST, and a 32 GTST. Yeah. But I'd like a GTR.
Okay.
But hopefully, I'm thinking of selling the Evo.
Oh, okay.
And maybe buying a 32 GTR.
Is this the first time anyone's hearing that? Or?
Yes.
Oh shit. Well, this takes forever to go down the. Yeah, all good. Have you always been into JDM or?
Mainly JDM, yeah.
Yeah, not the Euros.
Not really. No.
Not really.
I have owned two E36s.
Okay.
A coupe and a sedan, but that's the only Euros I've ever had.
What was your first car?
Very first car was a Celica, like the old school Celica, the 22A Celica, the one with 2 circle lights. Has a fastback and stuff like that. Yeah. I had one of them. I have that long because I was manual and I was just learning manual.
Oh,
and then my parents bought me a brand new Lancer CE back then.
Yeah, right.
2002 Lancer.
Yeah. What does your family think of this car?
They love it. Yeah. They love what I've achieved. They know this is my thing.
Yeah.
I've always been doing this stuff. My dad, he's into cars as well.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. That's cool.
He's got an orange Mustang.
Oh, wow.
And he's doing that up. But he's more performance than styling.
Did you drive this daily?
No, the Evo I drive daily.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately.
Yeah,
because it's less hot, like for being pulled over.
The Evo?
Yeah. Than this, yeah.
I mean, your Evo is bright gold.
It is, but it's less like it's more stock.
Yeah.
In a way, and it looks like a family car, so you'll get away with it.
Yeah. I mean, mean, it's still pretty out there.
Yeah.
But I guess compared to
us
this,
younger ones, yeah, we can see that it's different in our eyes, but to a cop, they'll just think, oh, it's a family wagon.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, a bit of a disguise.
Thanks, Chris, so much for showing us your car.
Thanks
really
for
cool.
having
Love the drive. Super sick. And it's great meeting you. And I'm sure we'll do some.
Coming down.
Yeah, we'll do some more videos on your other cars, hopefully.
Sure, hopefully,
And yeah, thanks so much. See you, bro. Alright guys, we just finished the video. That was super fun to make. Shout out to Chris. What a sick guy. He was so friendly, he was so nice, showed us everything. And yeah guys, leave a like if you want to see more stuff like this. Even subscribe to the channel and give us a comment of who we should go check out next. And yeah, shout out to Chris again. You're a legend. I'll see you boys in the next video. Peace.